Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arkan Putra Raihan, and I'm here to represent SMP Negeri 2 Kota Sukabumi in the 2025 speech contest. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be presenting on the topic of how to use gadget wisely. First of all, what is a gadget? In this modern era, we definitely use gadgets for everyday needs, whether for communication, searching for information, or looking for ideas. Gadgets are small, sophisticated electronic devices that have special function and are always updated and innovated to keep up with technological developments. Common examples of gadgets include smartphones, tablets, laptops, and digital cameras, which are designed to make various daily activity easier. Gadgets offer easy access to information, communication, education, and entertainment. But they also have negative impacts if we are not wise in using them, such as addiction to gadgets, decreased social interaction, physical health problems such as eye damage and spinal disorders, sleep problems like insomnia, and even the potential to affect mental health and concentrations, especially if used excessively and without supervision. These are the negative impacts of excessive gadgets use. I will give an example of improper smartphones use, such as playing games too much until you forget the time and your time is wasted, scrolling through social media until late at night, and the influence of inappropriate content related to age restriction. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, how can we be wise in using gadgets? To use gadgets wisely, we can limit screen time, choose quality content. What does it mean? It means we should utilize gadgets to access quality content, such as educational articles, online courses, or digital books that can broaden our knowledge. We should also activate focus mode, engage in physical activity, reduce screen time before bed, and set boundaries at home. In addition, maintain a clear viewing distance when using devices and use them wisely to maximize their benefits. So, to divert yourself, do other activities such as exercise, sport activities, hobbies, interacting in the real world with friends or with the community, and other activities that are more useful and enjoyable. Well, everyone, it can be concluded that we must be careful when using gadgets in our daily lives. We must avoid doing anything negative. Remember, too much of anything is bad. Use gadgets for useful and to increase your knowledge, not for negative and useless things. Make your life more productive and meaningful. So, come on, from now on, let's be wise in using gadgets. Well, that's all I can share about how to use gadgets wisely to all the viewers. I hope it can be a lesson and be useful for all of us, and can be applied in our daily lives. I hope everyone enjoys and doesn't get bored. Thank you for your attention. I'm Arkan. See you again next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.